Good afternoon, children. We have to study about a new lesson known as social change. Social change is the name of a new lesson. About social change, we have to study. We have to learn or we have to study about social change. We have to learn or we have to study about social change. We have to learn or we have to study about social change. That is a speciality of social change. What is a social change? Meaning of social change we have to learn. Meaning of social change. What is the meaning of social change? Then before that we have to learn what is society. What is the meaning of society? Then we have to think. What is society or what is the meaning of society? What is society or what is the meaning of society that we have to learn? What is meant by society? Society means it is a group of people. Society is a group of people. Society is a group of people. Society is a group of people having a common aim or idea. That is known as society. It is a group of people having a common idea that is known as or that is known by the name society. A group of people. A group of people having a common idea society. Simply a group of people. Simply a group of people cannot be called as a society. So society is a collection of people having a common idea. It is a group of people or it is a collection of people having a common idea that is known as society. Then, inside the society, what is that? Inside the society, change is common. Change is always common inside the society. Inside, change is there. Without change, social progress will not be there. Without social change, progress will not be there in the society. Without social change, progress will not be there in the society. So, what is that? Social change is a must. According to the need of the time, social progress will be there. According to the need of the time, social progress should and must be there. So, social change is a must for social progress. Social change is a must for social progress. Social change is a must for social progress. That is the reality. So, without social change, we cannot think of a human society. What are the features of social change? features of social change that we have seen. Major or important features of social change. Specialities or characteristics of social change. Peculiarities or features or characteristics of social change. Features or characteristics of social change. Features or characteristics of social change that we have to know. What are the features or what are the characteristics of social change? First one is it is continuous. Social change is not at all a small incident. Social change cannot be called as a small incident. Social, whatever may be the case, social change is not a small one. It is a continuous incident. Social change is not a small, it is a continuous incident. Social change is a continuous incident. It is a continuous incident, social change. It is a long process. Social change is a long process. That is the speciality of social change. It is a long process. After a small social change, another social change will come. So, social change is a long and continuous process. It is universal. It is a universal thing. Social change is a universal thing. Social change. Universal means society is there everywhere in this world. It is there in India. It is there in foreign countries. It is there in all the continents of the world. Society is not there in Antarctica continent. I have told you several times regarding Antarctica continent. Regarding Antarctica continent, I have told you several times. In the land of Antarctica, human life is not possible. In the land of Antarctica, human life is not at all possible. Human life is not possible or human life is impossible. Human life is not possible or human life is impossible in the continent of Antarctica. In the Antarctica continent, what is that? In the Antarctica continent, human life is not at all possible in the Antarctic continent. In the Antarctica continent, human life is not at all possible. In the Antarctic continent, human life is not at all possible. Human life is not possible or human life is impossible in the Antarctica continent. In all the other continents, human life is there. Society also is there. So, when there is the presence of society, what is there? When there is the presence of society, what will be there? When there is the presence of society, when there is the presence of society, what is that? When there is the presence of society, social change will be there. So, social change is not there only in India. Social change is universal. Social change is universal in their very nature. Social change is universal. Everywhere society is there, and everywhere social change is there. There is a speciality of which one? There is a speciality of social change. Social change is universal. It is universal. Then it is speed and form. Speed. Speed and form. Speed and form of social change. Speed and form of social change is varying from one place to another place. Speed and form. In some societies, what is that? In some societies, what is that? In some societies, social change may be very speedy. In some societies. In some other societies, social change may be very slow. In some other societies, social change may be very, very slow. So, social change may be very speedy. Social change may be very speedy in some societies, and in some other societies, social change may be very, very slow. And the form of social change, the form of social change, the form of social change may vary from society to society. It is a chain. Social change is a chain. Social change is a chain of process. Social change. Social change is not a small process. It is a chain of process. Chain. What is that? After one change, another process, that is another social change may happen. After one process, another social change may happen. So, what is that? Social change is a very long process. Social change. Social change is a very big or social change is a long process. Social change is a very big or social change is a very long process. These are the specialities of social change. These are the specialities of social change. Specialities of social change. These are the important job. These are the specialities of social change. Then, what is the meaning of social change? That we have to think. What is mean by social change? Before that, we should learn what is a society. We should learn or we have to understand. We have to learn or we have to understand what is the meaning of a society. We have to know or we should understand what is the meaning of a society. What is meant by a society or what is the meaning of a society, we have to know. What are the specialities of society? What are the specialities of the society we should learn? Society is not a common group of people. Society is not a simple group of people. Society cannot be called as a simple group of people. Society we cannot call as a small or simple group of people. Society is a group of people having some common ideas. That is society. Society is a group of people having a common idea. That is the meaning of society. Society is a group of people having a common idea. That is known as society. Then, for the progress of the society, for the progress of the society, what is that? For the progress of the society, social change is a must. Without social change, progress of the society will not happen. So, for the progress of the society, what is that? Social change is a must. For the progress of society, for the real progress of the society, social change is a must. So, social change means all those changes which are happening in the society, all those changes which are happening in the society is known as social change. What are the features of society? What are the important or what are the major features of society we have now? Important or major features of the society. First of all, social change is not a small thing. Social change is a continuous process. Social change can be considered as a continuous process. Social change is known or social change can be considered as a continuous process. The society is not static. What is the meaning of static? Which one is not at all moving? That is static. Something which is not at all moving, that is known as static. Something which is not at all moving is known by the name static. Then what is it? The society is not static. The society is not at all static. The society cannot be considered as static. It is dynamic. Society is always dynamic. Society is liable to be changed. Society. So, social change is a continuous process. Social change is a continuous process. Then, social change is universal. That is speciality for the change. What is that? Society is there everywhere in the world. Society can be seen everywhere in this world. Society can be seen everywhere in this world. So that what is that? Social change also is there. Except in the Antarctica continent. Except in the Antarctica continent, what is that? Except in the Antarctica continent, social change is there. Why? Because in the continent of Antarctica, what is that? In the continent of Antarctica, human beings are there. Other than in the Antarctica continent, other than in the Antarctica continent, human beings are there. So, social change is universal. Everywhere in this world, everywhere in this world, what can we see? Everywhere in this world, social change is there. Everywhere in this world, social change is there. Without social change, we cannot live in this world. So, social change is universal. Social change can be considered as universal. This is another speciality of social change. Social change is universal in their very nature. Social change. Social change is universal in their very nature. Speed and form. What is that? The speed and form of social change will differ from society to society. The speed and form of social change. The speed and form of social change. The speed and form of social change will differ from society to society. The speed and form. The speed and form of social change. The speed and form of social change is different from society to society. The speed and the form. In some societies, social change may have more speed. In some other societies, social change may not have more speed. So, the speed and form of social change is different from society to society. In some societies, social change may be more speedy. In some other societies, social change may be very, very slow. Then, chain of process. Social change is not an isolated process. Social change. Social change is not at all an isolated process. Social change. Whatever may be the case, social change cannot be considered or social change cannot be called as an isolated process. Social change may continue from one generation to another generation also. process. What are the important social process? What are the important or what are the major social process that we have to think? Important or major social process. What are the important or major social process that we have to think? So many types of social process are there. So many types of or so many categories of social process are there. So many varieties of social process are there. So many categories of or so many varieties of social process are there. One is conflict. Conflict is an important social process. That means no individual is same or identical. No individual is same or identical. One individual is different from another individual. No individual is same or identical. No individual is same or identical. One individual is different from another individual. So, clash of ideas will be there. Clash of ideas will be there. Conflict will be there. And one group is not same like another group. One group is not same like another group. There may be difference of opinion or difference of ideas between different groups. There may be different ideas or there may be clash of ideas between different groups. For example, imagine that Dalit people are the Dalit. Imagine that Dalit people are there. Imagine or think that Dalit people are there. Dalit. Then what will be there? Imagine Dalit people are there. If we are isolating Dalit people from the mainstream of society, if we are isolating Dalit people from the main stream of society, Dalit people will make problems. Then clash of interest will happen. Then woman and children. Woman and children, what is that? If we are isolating woman and children, what is that? From the mainstream of society, what will happen? If we are avoiding women and children from the mainstream of society, then what will be there? There sure will be the problem of conflict or clash of ideas. Explanation is there in the textbook regarding Kabaddi match. When Kabaddi match is going on, what will happen? When the Kabaddi match is going on, what will be there? When the Kabaddi match is going on, what will be there? When Kabaddi match is going on, they will fight. Each group will fight one another. What is that? They want to win the match. Conflict of ideas. So, conflict is an important idea of social change. Adjustment. Adjustment. Adjustment is an important speciality of human society. Nobody is perfect in this society. Nobody. No one or nobody is perfect in this society. Some people may have some abilities. Some other people may have some other abilities. No one is perfect in this society. No one or nobody is perfect in this society. So, because of so many reasons, what is that? Because of so many reasons, adjustment is very important. Because of so many reasons, adjustment is very important in the human society. Due to or because of so many reasons, adjustment is there. Husband and wife will adjust. One group of society may adjust with another group of society. So, adjustment is a must. Adjustment is a must. Adjustment is a must in the human society. Adjustment is a must in the human society. Adjustment is a must in the human society. Adjustment also is a part of social change. Then, what are the major process of social change that we are reading? What are the major or what are the important social processes? What are the important or what are the major social process that we are studying? About two social process we are studying. About two social process we are reading. First one is conflict. Conflict is an important social process. Conflict. See, no individual is same. No individual is same as another person. Or no two individuals are same. No two individuals are same in this society. No two individuals are same in this society. One individual is different from another individual. There is a speciality. So, one group is not same like another group. One group is not at all same like another group. One group is fully different from another group. One group is fully different from another group. So what is that? conflict between people and conflict between group is common. Conflict between people and conflict between group and conflict between people are common in a society. Conflict between group and conflict between people are same in a society. Quite common. For example, if we are avoiding Dalit people from social process, Dalit people will fight with the other people. Dalit people will fight with the other people. That is quite common in our society. That is quite common in our society. That is really common, or that is quite common in our society. They will fight. These things are quite common. They may fight. If we are avoiding women and children, from the social process, if we are avoiding women and children from the social process, then what will happen? Then there is no doubt. Surely they will fight against the existing society. So, conflict is an important aspect of human society. Conflict is an important part, or conflict is an important aspect of human society. Conflict. Next one is adjustment. No one or nobody is perfect. No one or nobody is perfect in the society. No one or nobody is perfect in the society. So what is when there is a clash of interest, adjustment is quite common in the society. When there is a clash of interest, adjustment is quite common in the society. Dear children, you observe this video. Read the same topic in the textbook. If you do have doubts, you call me in person. Thank you.